my god. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am bringing you a brand new makeup tutorial using this palette that just came out. It is from Wet n Wild. I went to Walgreens about 2 days ago and it caught my eye. I think the colors are gorgeous. So I had to try it, okay? And this is what we have. You have 4 shadows and it was only $4.99. Yeah, $4.99. So I decided to do this makeup tutorial to try on the shadows. And I have to tell you that I'm actually impressed with these shadows for $5. I mean, you guys know that I love to try different brands such as Too Faced, Urban Decay, and they're kind of pricey. So when you find something like this, it really makes me think, is it really worth buying the expensive brands? I don't think so. But let me go ahead and do some swatches for you. And then right after the swatches, don't move because I will show you how I did this makeup tutorial. So it's only 4 shadows, but they are gorgeous. I'm going to start with this one, which was the one that really got my attention. And it looks something like this. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Then you have this one, which is matte. These 2 are shimmery and these 2 at the bottom are matte. This is a dark purple color. And the 4th one, which is this one, it's also matte, and that's what you'll be getting. So my friends, do I recommend this quad? I said yes, I do recommend this quad. I think it is a fantastic buy for $5, and it is pigmented. Anyway, it has a lot of pigment. Now, before I forget, before I show you this tutorial, I also found, now I don't really know if it was a good buy, but I am loving this lip set. It is from Huda Beauty, and I did pay $30 for 3 items. So if you know about a dupe or something like that for these combo, please let me know in the comments below, because I don't know, I feel that sometimes I'm breaking the bank, you know, with makeup, but I don't know, I really like it. Let me go ahead and show you. This is the pencil. The lip pencil looks like that. It is very, very creamy. My lips are a mess. I was sick for about 2 weeks. So they are very dry, but I think the color looks good. So that is the lippy. And you also have a topper, which is the glitter. I only applied it right in the middle of the lips, and I am in love with this color. So that's what you get for $29. So yeah, I know it's a little pricey, but let me know if you do know about any dupes. Now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and start with the tutorial.
I'm going to start with a lid primer, and I'm going to apply it with a smaller brush on the lid and the bottom lash of the eye, following up with my eyebrow routine. And I had already applied some moisturizer on my face. Now for the brow bone, I will be applying this vanilla color, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the deepest, darker shadow in the quad, and this one is a matte color. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with a stiffer type of brush, and it's gonna look patchy, but don't worry about it. We are going to blend everything out, and here I'm just blending out the edges. Following up with a shimmery color, I'm going to apply it on the outer half of the eye with a flat brush, and then for the inner corner half of the eye, I am going to wet my brush and apply the lightest shadow in the palette. With a black pencil, I am going to just line that waterline, and I'm going to go ahead and take a break with the eyes for just a minute. I am going to apply primer on my face first, and then I will be trying these shimmery drops that I got in one of my BoxyCharm subscriptions, following up with some of that pore primer on my nose, and then I will be using my favorite foundation at the time. I will be applying it with a foundation brush, and then with a dry beauty blender I am going to top off the excess. I will be doing the same thing with that concealer. Now for the bronzing, today I will be using just something, it's a card just to help me get those lines straight, and then I will be blending it out like so, following up with a blush, and then I will be using some of these illuminator right, or highlighter right on the inner corner of my eyes and also on the cheekbones, and then I will be applying more of that shadow on the bottom lashes. Also, to prep my lashes for falsies, I am going to curl my lashes and then apply a little bit of eyeliner very close to the lash line, and of course then I went ahead and applied my lashes. Then for my lips I will be using the Huda Beauty combo, and this is the final look. My friends, I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.